Hi there, Dr. Sandu here. I've got Logan here. Logan, say hi.
Hi.
Logan is 9 years old and his beautiful mum, Louise. Louise brought Logan in because he had some neck pain. Now, a 9-year-old, why would you bring a 9-year-old to a chiropractor? Well, why wouldn't you? Because Logan, just like us, has a nervous system. He has muscles, bones, joints, and he has this amazing network of nerves that control every single cell in his body, just like we do. It just isn't as developed as ours. But it doesn't mean that there's not a problem. So, in this case, if we check Logan here, lift this leg up, Logan. Now, we would expect this leg to be rock solid because that muscle should be working. Push up for me. And there's no power. Let's try the other side. And there's no power. And if we check his leg length, we see that there is a difference. That would indicate to me that he's got an L4 issue right here. So if I push him there, that's a little bit stiff underneath my finger. And if we actually do an adjustment, Louise, you okay for me to?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So we do an adjustment there, and we check him now. And would you mind just coming up for me? Okay, Logan, you're going to just do the same as you did before. So push up with the leg now, and Mum, push him down now.
Oh wow. Yeah, the difference.
Amazing,
Incredible, yeah.
And let's do the other side. So what we've done is we've just re-engaged the nerve working those muscles. Children need chiropractic just as adults do. It is so important to get your children checked, and here at Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, we can do that for you. Dr. Sandhu, here to help. Check us out on social media, check out all our YouTube videos, and let's get the children checked.